My name is Paul Lawler. I'm the owner of Pinellas Power Products, and this is the product demonstration video for my extended runtime fuel kit for generators that use the Sensei 459cc engine. That would include the DuroMax 9500 and the DuroMax 11000. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be demonstrating this kit on the DuroMax 9500. The DuroMax 11000 is identical in operation. This kit will allow you to run your generator off of any size fuel tank you want. The kit comes with an electric fuel pump, so you do not have to have the tank above the generator. It is not a gravity flow system. The next question that I get asked most common is, can I still run off the stock tank? Absolutely, yes you can. The operation of the kit is very straightforward and simple. Included in the kit, among other parts, everything else is mounted inside the generator, but you will have a hose with a prime bulb. The prime bulb has an arrow on it. Make sure that the arrow is pointed in the direction of fuel flow. You'll connect one end of it to your remote fuel tank. If your remote fuel tank has a manual shutoff valve, make sure that that's open. If your remote fuel tank has a manual vent, make sure that that is open. Then go to the generator and connect the other end to the generator itself. Move the fuel selector to the on position and pump the prime bulb until it is full of fuel. The reason being, when you first unpackage all this, the prime bulb has no gasoline in it. So once the prime bulb is firm, in order to run this generator on gasoline, you would move the fuel choice switch to the gasoline position as opposed to LP. You would turn the generator master switch to the on position, and then if you wanted to run off of the stock tank, you would put it in the run position, and if you wanted to run it off my remote tank, you would put it in the off or storage position. So keep that in mind. With it in the storage position, it's pulling from the remote tank. If it's in the run position, it's pulling from the stock tank only. Then, to start the generator, you go ahead and press the button for, I believe it's 5 seconds. We'll see. And there you have it. You can run this system with any size remote tank. I've got a link at the bottom of my page that takes you to Moeller fuel tanks for a whole assortment of Moeller marine fuel tanks. There's also a link that shows you how to run it on the 14-gallon fuel caddy. The procedure for the 14-gallon or like my 29-gallon is identical. I prefer the fuel caddies myself because at my age, carrying a tank full of fuel gets to be a little bit of a task. I prefer the wheels of a fuel caddy. If you have any questions for me at all, if you look in the, if you're watching this video on YouTube and you have any questions, you look in the link in the description section and it's got a link to my website. You can contact me there by email. Please do not attempt to contact me through YouTube. I don't monitor the YouTube. If you've got a comment that is on topic and you'd like to leave the comment, please go ahead and leave a comment. But don't ask any questions because I'm not going to be responding to the questions in a timely manner. If you want to get in touch with me with any questions whatsoever, get a hold of me by the website, and I check my emails several times a day, so you'll get a response usually within 30 minutes, sometimes quicker. Other than that, I thank you for your time.